Hello everyone, this is Kim from the Beauty Biz, and today I just wanted to share with you, for the last few days we've been talking about Ulta's Super Sale, their 21 days of beauty from the 1st to the 21st, and every day, this is the circular, I got mine in the mail, but go to your local Ulta Beauty and they will give you one as soon as you arrive, and inside it has got the 50% off, the must-haves, and like I told you, I'd already got my Genifique Mask. Check out the YouTube video for that. I've got a review and how-to instructions. Me silly looking with the mask. My next sale that I am planning is my Lancome's Monsieur Big Mascara is half price this weekend, so I will be checking that out. Stay tuned for a video on that. And we have even Dermalogica, Anastasia, Kylie Cosmetics, Urban Decay, Tarte, Too Faced, more Urban Decay. It's like every day, ladies, there is a different sale, and these things are half price. Just for example, my Lancome mascara is usually $25, and as you can see, it's $12.50 on the 6th. And if you love Kylie Cosmetics, their matte and velvet lip kits, regularly $27 to $29, are $13.50 to $14.50 on the 14th. Another, I'm planning as Clinique's Moisture Surge. If you guys have not checked this product out, it is totally amazing, and it is only $10.50 on the 20th instead of $21. They do have other sales going on besides the 50%. Like I said, I purchased my mask. I bought two and got one free on the blog, kimsbeautybiz.com. There is a how-to video and everything, and we're just going to show you. We're talking NARS, makeup kits, brushes, lip colors, eyeshadows. There is everything under the sun that you would never, ever need. Lancome Absolute Rouge Ruby Cream, the Estee Lauder Night Repair. Ladies, that is their best seller. And there's all kind of things. Lady MAC Cosmetics has their lipsticks on sale this month as well, so be sure and check it out. The book is available, like I said, at your local Ulta Beauty, and there's even some hair products as well. Most everything in their store, I swear, has to be on sale, it looks like to me. You guys have a great day, and just remember, if you haven't received one in the mail from your local Ulta Beauty, you can go in the store and check out the circular. Have a great day, guys. Thank you, and as always, for your budget beauty tips, tricks, and hacks, kimsbeautybiz.com.